Every so often, I get questions regarding water softening solutions because the water hardness levels in many parts of the country are quite high. While there have been quite a few solutions for drinking water, there was no consistent solution available till today for a full house. So this video is made in collaboration with 3M to bring you awareness of their water softening products. They have not been specifically installed in my house. Many of you can relate to this. There are many issues with hard water. Some health issues include hair fall, skin irritation due to dryness, and so on. You could also see scaling or permanent white marks on your bathroom floors and fixtures, on your vessels after wash, on kitchen fixtures, and your clothes looking faded. In addition, hard water can harm and increase electricity consumption and maintenance cost of your appliances like washing machines and geysers. Now, dishwashers in general can handle up to 900 ppm as they do have a water softening unit in them, but anything above that, you do need to soften the water. So what's the solution? You need to add water softeners that can help to soften the water before using it for bathing, cleaning utensils, and washing. If your water hardness level is less than 300 ppm, but you're still seeing scaling, you can install the 3M scale prevention system. If your water hardness is more than 300 ppm, it is recommended to install a 3M fully automatic water softener for the full house. Now let's talk about how these products work. The 3M scale prevention system has a filter cartridge that traps both visible and invisible sediments in water up to 5 microns using a depth filtration system. The system uses a unique sequestering technology to treat your water for hardness without using electricity and without wasting a single drop of water, unlike what you would see in RO water purifiers. It treats your water for hardness by encapsulating the calcium and magnesium ions present in water to prevent it from sticking to appliances, bathroom fixtures, skin, and hair. Coming to the 3M fully automatic water softener. It uses an ion exchange technology to replace hardness causing calcium and magnesium ion with sodium ions. Sodium ions are not damaging to appliances, hair, and skin, and therefore don't cause permanent damaging effects like irreversible scaling and hair fall issues. To do this, it uses a high efficiency, high performance food grade resin which has a long life and ensures up to 90% reduction in hardness. It also comes with a pre-filter to capture the visible and invisible sediments in water to extend the life of the resin. This water softener has a display that gives real-time diagnostics and usage information like number of days since the system was installed, gallons of water used, current flow rate, and so on. Now let's talk about where do you install these products. For flats, both of these products can be installed at the main water inlet to your flat. If there are multiple inlets to your flat, the 3M scale prevention system can be installed at each inlet that requires treatment. For example, if you only need water treatment for your kitchen and one of your bathrooms, you can install it only in those places. For individual houses and villas, it is recommended that they are installed before the water enters the overhead tank. So the water pressure for consumption is not impacted and you only store treated water in your overhead tank. If you install it after the overhead tank, a booster pump will be required to maintain the water pressure. 3M always recommends a site visit by their trained personnel to check the water quality, your plumbing arrangements, water pressure, and then recommend the right product for your use. I would insist on booking a home visit from 3M Home Water Solution website before finalizing the product. Now let's talk about, will you see a drop in TDS once you install these products? No, the TDS level of water will not reduce after using these products, as the main issue due to hard water we discussed earlier is due to the presence of calcium and magnesium ions, and the 3M products help to reduce or treat these harmful hardness causing agents in water. The 3M fully automatic water softener reduces hardness of water by up to 90%. While installing, the 3M service professional can demonstrate the reduction with a water hardness kit that they bring along. The reduction of these ions can be noticed by reduction in permanent white marks on your bathroom fixtures or better soap lather formation. Over continuous usage, the effects on hair fall and skin can be noticed as well. On the other hand, the 3M scale prevention system will not show any reduction in before and after hardness values, as it does not remove the hardness causing agents in water. But it does make them inactive, so they lose their damaging capabilities. You are, however, expected to feel a noticeable improvement in water quality. The 3M scale prevention system treats your water while ensuring zero water wastage and without using electricity like mentioned before. In both of these systems, you can also notice that the output water is clearer, as both the products remove visible and invisible sediment particles up to 5 microns from your water. Now let's talk about the maintenance of these 3M products. Both the products are easy to install and maintain. Installation should be done by an authorized or certified 3M professional, but ongoing maintenance can be done by yourself. For the 3M scale prevention system, to extend the life of the cartridge, you will need to clean the cartridge every 20 to 30 days and the cartridge needs replacement every 6 to 8 months, depending on your daily usage and input water quality. Replacement cartridge typically costs around 4,000 rupees. For the 3M fully automatic water softener, salt is a key consumable for softening the water and needs to be refilled or topped up once it is consumed. You need to use non-iodized crystal salt or salt tablets which are readily available in the market. Please do not use the regular table salt which we consume on a daily basis. This water softener has a high capacity salt storage of 60 kg to minimize the frequency of refilling. To extend the life of the cartridge, the pre-filter cartridge needs to be cleaned every 20 days to 30 days and the cartridge needs to be replaced every 6 to 8 months, again depending on the quality of the input water and your daily water consumption. The replacement cartridge here costs about 3,000 rupees. Given that the water quality in many parts of the country is not great, the 3M water softening products are a good solution to make water usable without causing any harm to health and to your appliances. You can request a home visit on the 3M website and get your water tested while getting expert suggestion on the recommended product that will solve your particular water problem. I hope this video gave you some visibility into the products available to fix hard water and scaling problems in your area. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.